What's up guys and welcome to the video. So special thanks to Hošek Motor Mercedes-Benz dealer. It's located in Brno in Czech Republic, and also here is a AMG Performance Center. So guys, let's open doors and let's take a closer look at the interior of this car. So again, carbon fiber decor, fully electric seats, performance seats and Burmeister sound system, yellow stitching with Dynamica in the door panels, button to open the boot lid and AMG logo at the door trim. So really nice interior, I really like this. You have also fire extinguisher, and these are the AMG performance seats, but they are electronically adjustable, so you can have also comfort and really nice design. And wait for this, AMG steering wheel in Dynamica and carbon, so my favorite steering wheel. Very solid doors and yellow seat belts, really amazing interior. In this section I'm going to show you interior of this special car, GT 4-door 63S, fully automatic performance seats, bucket seats, Burmeister sound system, and this is the AMG carbon performance wheel, steering wheel with AMG logo, and these are the hotkeys. So if you press on the display, then you can change what you want to change, and then when you press here, then you can change this function. So you can have exhaust here, gearbox, auto start stop, stabilization, traction control, and here suspension, AMG ride control or exhaust. So you can basically set it how you want. So this is great. And here you have a hotkey for the drive select. So if you turn this wheel, then you can change the drive select mode. So race mode, and you also see it here. So comfort, individual mode and slippery mode, and you see it also here. So these are the 12-inch screens. So if you press it and put it in the race mode, if you press the display, then you can have an individual mode right away. So shortcut for pressing is press and then you are in individual mode, and you can set everything how you like it. So this is the new design for Mercedes and AMG steering wheel. So with this touchpad you control this instrument cluster, and with this one you control the multimedia command display. So this is like a BlackBerry touch sensitive, so you can change here how the entire instrument cluster looks. So you can have a super sport, then you can have a sport and a classic, and you can see V8 bi-turbo. Probably my favorite is this, and also you can find it in other AMG models. So you can set everything here, like a head-up display, telephone, media, radio, navigation. You can set the left part and also the right part individually. G-force, boost, AMG track pace, tire pressure and temperatures, trip setting, navigation. So in the trip setting you can change consumption, eco display, and also performance section. So you have a temperature, the engine, boost gauge, then you can see which settings do you have. This is G-force, this is for the automatic driving pilot, for the Distronic Plus and attention assist, and service is for service, coolant, engine oil level. So really looks amazing, this display. And here in this command display you control it with this steering wheel touchpad, or you can use this trackpad like on the new LE class, GLE, and probably all future new Mercedes models. This is also ambience lighting here with the stitching. Nice Alcantara Dynamica. So here in command display you can change a lot of things. This is not MBUX yet, but it is advanced command system. So you have navigation here, route guidance with live traffic, radio, media, telephone, in-car office, connect Mercedes-Me app, Android Auto and CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, vehicle settings. So you have all these settings. I'm not going to show you each setting because I already did it in AMG GT in white, in diamond white paint finish. So links down below. Check it. Check each settings if you are very curious. There is in-depth video about this. And in the system you have all the settings like language or so. So in vehicle settings you have you can change seats, drivers or passenger, climate control, dynamic select, engine data, vehicle data, dynamic data. So this is highly advanced. This is why the AMG is now on the top of the game. Also because it combines technology and engineering together with premium materials. Track pace, so you can race around the track. And this car actually set the fastest Nürburgring Nordschleife lap time for a four-seater car. So you can have a track race here. You can see all of these tracks here. Then you can set the drag times, and then you also can have telemetry. Assistance is for all the assistants. A light setup, I can show you this. This is interesting for people, ambient lighting. So you can have a multicolor like this, purple sky, ocean blue, or you can have only one color. So this is like a combination of colors. Also in the back seat there is a little ambience lighting. The most visible for me is purple sky, definitely. A good thing is you can adjust it how you like it. So you can have a yellow, glacier blue, this is interesting, color flash, so it changes the colors. Color mix, this is also changing. So here is like a blue, this is yellow, this is green, and then you can have, if you touch this, you can have only one color. So you can change only one color. So you can have also white, depends on your taste. So that's that. A lot of different light settings and vehicle settings. So then here you have cup holders and USB port. This car is equipped with carbon interior decor. This is dual zone thermatronic climate control with auxiliary heating here. And this panel is new panel for GT4 door and also for GT2 door. So these are the hotkeys. So this is dynamic select button, same as here, and if you change it here, it also changes on this small display. It's changing everywhere. And also you can change gearbox, AMG ride control, so you can operate it here or on the steering wheel or with the touchpad, so it's your choice. So this is the gearbox lever. This is a middle compartment with USB ports. Ambience lighting is also down, where are the feet. And this is the glove box. So this car doesn't have a perfume infuser, And this car is also equipped with AMG performance seats, which look gorgeous with a Falterbach logo. And they are actually nice, comfortable. So great seats. I really love them. And you can they are electric adjustable, so you can make this more narrow if you are a thin person, or if you are more chubby, then you can like make it a little bit more wide. So yeah, great AMG seats, performance seats. So on the top you can see this is classic, and button for lights, mirror, and in the back you can see ambience lighting. And I sit in the back of this car before, when I reviewed this car in other paint finishes, and there is a lot of space above my head, so no problem for taller adults. So really, this is more like a 4-seat car, but you can use also middle seat for emergency, but only 2 seats are like contoured. You can also have in the middle like a special bench, which looks more premium. So this is also an option. I haven't seen it in person yet, because yeah, this car doesn't have this spec, but I saw it online. So it's possible to have in the middle like another display. So really this car is a exceptional 4-seater, and the best looking 4-seater in my opinion, and also fastest on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, which is like a benchmark for the performance. And I really like also carbon wheel. So let's check the boot space. So which seat belts do you like more, red or yellow? For me, probably yellow. It's more like a racing AMG color. These looks just like a next level. And I'm seeing the interior first time in a black color, and I have to tell you that this is my favorite color. I saw it in the beige color and also in a red pepper, saturated red color, and this is my favorite, the black color. Interior. Exterior is questionable. I like a lot of colors. For exterior would be hard to choose for me, but interior, this is my favorite. AMG seats, black interior, yellow seat belts, just fantastic. And actually you have more space in the rear when you have performance seats, because they are more like shaped here, less material is here than the comfort seats. So rear passengers have more space, and this is even a little more backward than for my driving. So I have plenty here, even if like a 2-meter person is here, I have plenty space. So wonderful. Also I have above head a lot of space, also like this. So just fantastic. Alright guys, so this is the soft close of the doors, really nice and smooth. And look how wide this car is in the back. It's much more wide than E-Class, so really nice and nice stance for this car. I really like this, how wide it is, how the arches are really wide. And let's open the boot space. You can open it from the key fob and also with the driver's button in the door. So this is 461 liter, has a high loading lip, also Burmeister speaker. It has a good length and width, so you can fit a lot of things there, a lot of suitcases. You can push the rear seats forward to fit more stuff. And yeah, I think you can pack many things there, many suitcases and duffel bags, so that's not an issue. You can close also with this button and lock the car, and also you can close with the key fob and beautiful fixed hero wing. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Let me know how do you like this, which configuration do you like more. And yeah guys, that's all. Leave a comment down below, like the video and subscribe for many more videos. So guys, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.